Bernsey,
What's up, dude?
you cranking?
A little bit.
Getting stuff done?
Kinda.
Kind of priority. Allan kind of needs AC because he drives a ways to work almost every day.
Where'd you work at?
Fontucky, I believe.
You drive from out here?
Yeah.
Holy cow. I mean, I feel your pain though, because I gotta drive out to Oceanside like. I mean, it's only once a week, but
At least once a week, sometimes more.
Yeah, so I feel the pain.
Coming along. Dryer's in. Mr. Burns is tightening up the hoses there.
This hose that goes to the expansion valve, which I left that loose right now because I got to get that down there.
And we got the fresh O-ring on there. There's probably a fresh O-ring under the cap, huh?
Yep.
And then you put it in so the pressure switch is in.
Yep.
Alright. Stick it in, big boy. Oh, yeah. Alright. That's getting on. Gonna go up in the air, swap out the compressor, come back down. Nice. Rocking, baby.
Yay.
Right?
Yeah, I'm going away.
Going to Hawaii without me.
Fuck yeah.
They wouldn't let you on the plane.
Ain't better than
It'd be
that.
too much weight.
Dang.
They let Big T fly.
Dang.
Fine.
Kids these days.
Punks. Anyway, alright. Moving along, looking good. Come along. Good job, Bernsey. Burns.
Yep.
We got her up on the lifty lift.
Yep.
Pulling the this little splash shield. What'd you do?
Your buttons are about to pop.
Yeah, I'm fat. That's what happened.
You're not that sexy, you know it.
Sexy, and I know it. I'll just pop them all. There, it's better.
In this one.
It's okay. It's retaining the fat. There you go. All right, a couple more on that side. Get that out of the way. And there's the Mr. Compressor hanging out, playing Nintendo, riding along,
I thought there was a bolt somewhere.
playing the old
Oh,
home
there
game.
it is. Give me that nut.
Grant's just chilling. Grant's in the house chilling. Alright, I'm filming.
I gotta find another one you dropped.
The hose clamp?
Nope.
Because there's one of the hose clamps there.
Look for the other nut.
Would you dropped all your hardware?
No, you.
You dropped the soap. You having fun yet? No.
Isn't working on cars fun?
Sometimes. Your afternoon was very frustrating with the Mustang.
Yeah.
The morning was for relays. Finding the flasher relays, none of them were in the right spot. Because they put aftermarket AC in it and somebody just shoved everything everywhere else. Because, you know, people not caring about their work. Sounds about right, Bernsey?
Yep. That's why I can't wait to do the Plymouth, man. That's gonna be
because
fun.
that should be done right.
Yep.
Oh, and then the 54 Chevy Grant, the radiator leaks out of the tank, so Bernsey's got to take it to Gary in the morning. And Gary just went through it, so Gary's going to take care of that problem. Yay, take care of that problem.
Of course.
Headache. So you got to get that out of the way, right?
Yeah, it's a clip.
Get it pulled, and then that'll come out.